Hey, my name's Gizzmo, and this is my Halloween costume vlog. First, we had to do some shopping. When I go into these stores, the first stop is always the bone aisle. Oh, these smell good. Which one should I get? Which one should I get? I don't know. This crocodile one looks pretty cool. Pretty spooky. You think I could scare some dogs with this one? I don't know. Looks pretty cool. What about this one? I don't like the way it smells. Hey, do I look cute in this? Found it. I'm ready. Do-do-do-do, this bone's gonna be so good, do-do-do-do. Oh, excuse the chewing. I can't wait until I get home. So now that the shopping's over, first up is the Batman costume. I'm feeling powerful. Bruce Wayne, get out the way. Get out the way. You really think I can fly with this cape on? I'll give this 5 out of 5. Actually, 4 out of 5. -1 for this annoying helmet. Next up, we have the lion costume. How the heck do those big cats walk around with this thing on all day? Get this thing off me! -5 out of 5. Next up, we have the pumpkin costume. Cute. This is cute. I don't hate it. I don't love it. But maybe it looks good. What do you think? Kind of big though, but it does leave room for food. That could be a good thing. A lot of treats being given out on Halloween. I gotta think about this one. 3 out of 5. Next up is the little devil. I look like that little devil doggy that pops up on my shoulder when I want to do something fun. But you know what? He always gets me in trouble. 1 out of 5 bones. Take it back. Next up is Baby Yoda. May the Force be with you. Let's give this one 6 out of 5. Love the ears on this helmet. Next up is the alligator. Rawr! Wait a minute. Is this thing an alligator or a dinosaur? I don't know, but you know what? I do know that I don't like it. 2 out of 5. Next up is the zombie costume. I look like I'm wrapped in what humans wipe their butts with. 0 out of 5. Next. Plus, look how long these legs are. How's a dog supposed to walk around, huh? Next up is the gentleman costume. Oh, I look phenomenal. Somebody take a photo. I mean, wow. I've never looked this good. I'm looking hot. I'm sizzling, baby. 5 out of 5 bones. Next up is the party taco. Feels small. I give it a 1 out of 5. Next up are the bat wings. See, now these things are cool. I like this. It's not too much on me. It's just around the collar. No big deal. I like it. I look good. I can trick or treat in this. I'll rate them a 4 out of 5. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy Halloween. Thanks for watching.